Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm super excited because I'm actually going to be reviewing the one and only, the highest in demand holiday gift sets that you can come across, the Chanel holiday gift sets. Now this year I was able to secure 4 for myself. They literally came out in the market in October, like super early this year, if you ask me. And I think what makes these holiday gift sets so high in demand is that everyone loves Chanel, everyone loves Chanel beauty, and compared to the price points of their handbags and their shoes, the beauty gift sets are actually a pretty great deal because they come with a cute bag every single year. So in today's video, I'm going to be getting into the price points, the details, swatches of the products, all the good stuff, and my opinions on which gift sets are worth it versus which ones are not, etc. So let's get into the video. This year, Chanel released 6 different holiday sets. 4 were actually in the navy tweed and 2 were in this beautiful white and gold beige tweed. So right now as we speak on the official Chanel website, a lot of these holiday gift sets are sold out, unfortunately, but not to worry, because my biggest tip for you guys in order to get your hands on these holiday gift sets is to actually make a beauty contact at the Chanel booths within Saks or Neiman Marcus. These, beauty contacts are amazing. They've always notified me and let me know like when things actually restock. And although they are very hard to find and sometimes sell out very quickly, don't lose hope. Like, they will let you know because it's an easy sell for them and they're more than willing to like let you know when they come back in stock. So not to worry. So this year I personally decided to purchase 2 navy tweed Always Brilliant lip trio sets and 2 of the on the go moisture gift sets in the beige and white tweed. So let's start the video strong with their most popular holiday gift set, which is the Always Brilliant lip gloss trio set. It comes with Chanel's best-selling lip gloss called Melted Honey, and I've never had it myself. So one of these is definitely for me, but the rest of the 3 that I bought have to be for gifts. And I'm really excited about this because it comes with number 119, 712, which is the Melted Honey one I was talking about, and 722. So let's get this baby open. I love that it comes in this sturdy box. And this is the first time that I have seen them in person. They have been sitting in my room for the longest time. And compared to the size of my head, this is what it looks like. Now, it has a very fine and great quality zipper, which I really love. It's very accessible and easy. I've heard great things about the quality of this cosmetic case, and I can see why. This is a very expensive zipper, and this is what it looks like up close. So cute. I prefer to keep the darker one just because it's not going to get dirty as easily as the beige one, but let's swatch these babies for you guys. So this one in particular retails for $118, and I wanted to show you guys the amount of space that it holds and has with the lip glosses being present. So it actually fits like a full-size bottle of foundation, in my opinion, a beauty blender, an eyelash curler, and a lot more products inside. So I think it's actually a very cute size, but it's not too large and it's not too small either. I think it's a great size in between for sure. I'm actually gonna plug in the dimensions so you guys are aware of like how big it is. And so let's get into the lip gloss colors. So this is color 722. It's this beautiful nude with almost like, it's like a mauve nude. And the brush is pretty classic, nothing special about it. But to swatch it on I have olive colored skin. I'm just gonna show you a swatch of this. This is the color of the lip gloss. This is a great one. I feel like this is gonna go with a lot of different skin tones. So there is that one. Then we have color 119. And this one has a lot more sparkle. So if you can see, this one is more of like a sheen, and then this one has more sparkle in the actual gloss. And so just to swatch the 2 of them side by side, you can even see the difference in color. One's more like mauve peach and the other one's more pink. So this is actually gorgeous. I'm really loving 119. Last but not least, we have Chanel's best-selling lip gloss, the Melted Honey, and one that I've been wanting for the longest time. So I'm actually gonna swatch this. I'm so excited. I hope the camera is picking up just how beautiful and almost subtle the glitter in the lip gloss is. It's not like a cheap glittery gloss. It's a sheer, all three of them I would say are like a very sheer texture and shine, and the gloss is not in your face. It's a very elegant, very subtle, glittery lip gloss. So these are all really beautiful, but this one specifically I think is just such a hit because this is great to layer with any lipstick combo. So it's just perfect. Okay, so next let's open the On The Go Moisture gift set, which comes with their Rouge Cocoa Balm in Dreamy White, which is almost like their very clear lip balm. It's amazing quality. I've actually owned it before, and I think it's just such a staple. It makes for a great gift. Who doesn't love a basic lip balm that's sheer, no color, and hydrating? And then it also comes with a hydrating and fortifying oil. I cannot pronounce this for the life of me, so I will actually just show you guys the spelling. But this is the beautiful bag. Oh my gosh. Also, these are very soft. It's a very soft tweed. It's not rough to the touch. And both gift sets, the navy and the blue, and this one, they come with a gold logo, as you can see. So let's see what's inside. So in case you've never seen the Rouge Balm, it just looks like this. It's their very simple Chanel lip balm in this beautiful classic white. As I said, it's sheer, so I actually don't even need to swatch it because there is really nothing to see. But it's a very moisturizing lip balm, I will say. So kind of nice that it comes with something essential that everyone can use and love. And then this is the hydrating oil that I've been hearing great things about. So it looks like this. It's quite small. On the photo, in the ghost photo in the website, it looks a lot larger if you ask me, but this is what it looks like. And from what I hear, you pretty much just squirt a little bit on your hands and or your cuticles like that, like so. And it's very moisturizing. It has no scent. So let's get into the obvious pros and cons. The navy is gonna get dirtied less. This one is, although stunning and beautiful, it's a lot more delicate. I see it getting dirty very easily. They're both very soft. They're made out of the same fabric. And what I love as well is that this year, the holiday wrapping actually came with a matching ribbon. So you can actually use the ribbon on the box, or it also comes with this beautiful, you can ask and request for this as well. I requested some just because it's so pretty. This gorgeous wrapping paper that has Chanel logo, very, very subtle and very small on the print as well. Let me show you guys the navy ribbon. This lady was so generous. She gave me so much of the ribbon I had to tie it. I was like, what am I gonna do with so much ribbon? So the beige ribbon looks like this, and the navy, they look exactly like the bags, but it's just such a sweet touch, especially if you wanna like put it in your hair, or if you wanna wrap the boxes with like an extra special touch, the ribbon just comes in handy. So let's talk about the other gift sets that I did not purchase and my thoughts on them. So the other one that comes with the navy tweed is called Start Fresh, and it comes with a, I believe like a foaming cleanser and a toner. And I am not super big in giving people skincare items for the holidays unless I've tested and tried them myself, and I can't tell you what these are like. I'm sure they're amazing products. However, I think that everyone is just so unique and specific with their skincare needs that that's just one of the many reasons why I personally did not purchase them, because I really did need them strictly for gifts and really wanted to focus on getting holiday sets that had very versatile items that people could use. Another one that came with, I believe, like an eyeliner and a mascara, it was called A Sight to See and retailed for $78. That one is great. I've tried Chanel's mascara. I don't know, I'm picky with mascaras and I didn't want to give anyone a mascara with this beautiful little cosmetic bag. I felt like the lip gloss one was a little bit worth the money because I know a lot more women that love a good lip gloss and will utilize lip gloss and have a ton of different glosses, let's be honest, in one's bag than I do women who, you know, have like said anything about Chanel mascara. So although the Chanel mascara is very good, I just preferred to, again, give something that was a little bit more versatile of a product. Then there was also the Absolute Allure set, comes in at $92 and came with a red, like a ruby red lip gloss, lipstick and a mascara. So I think that one was actually great for the woman who likes a red lip. Loved that one. Again, just maybe not for me and my family and friends. And then there was only 2 different holiday gift sets that came with this colorway. So the only one that I didn't get, that was the only other one, because there were only 2 holiday gift sets that came with this bag, the beige one specifically. The other one was called Easy Come, Easy Glow gift set, and it was very similar to the one that I already purchased 2 of. So it had the same Cocoa Bomb, but in like a tinted version, kind of red, pinkish, I think. I'll insert a photo. And then it came with a, almost like a highlighting glow stick, which was cute. Again, I don't know why, I just wanted something very neutral. So once again, if you guys want to get your hands on these babies, I highly suggest checking out Nordstrom, Ulta Beauty, Macy's, Neiman Marcus, Saks. And I highly suggest checking in stores and contacting your local beauty counter person. I think that's the best way to get your hands on one of these amazing, fabulous gift sets. If you guys enjoyed this review of mine and this video, please don't forget to give a like down below and comment which one was your favorite one and which one would you love to be gifted. I'm super curious to know. So with that being said, hope you guys enjoy the holiday season and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.